Number one today, white bass. I didn't expect that. Number one. Well, the sycamores just about lost all their leaves. A lot of leaves, not a lot, but some leaves in the water. Pretty clear though. Number two's a keeper. Well, number three's a keeper, just barely. Number three. Number four is a keeper. Number five's just a runt. Number five, a runny. Number six, clean fish. No, it's not beat up at all. Number six, nice keeper. Number seven, nice looking fish. Pretty decent sized keeper. Probably close to 15 inches. Maybe a little bigger. Number seven. I'm guessing this is probably, we had frost the last couple of nights, so I guess this is an Indian summer. That's number 8. Well, number 8. Number 9. Nice keeper. Number 10, supersized runt. Number 10, out of minnows, time to go. Well, I did pretty good. I got to 10. I didn't think I'd do that good because the water's pretty cold. Bass don't have the pep like they do when the water's warm.